Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down proportion. This sets everything else. Draw an oval and add a vertical center line. This keeps symmetry. Place the horizontal eye line at 1/2 the head height so Madara's intense gaze sits low and narrow. Once done, sketch a strong jaw, long neck, and broad shoulders to match his imposing stance. Make faint marks for the hairline and forehead protector because you will refine those shapes after the facial features are placed. Now focus on the face details where character comes alive. You should carve the eyes, sharp, angled lids with concentric shading and rings, because that defines Madara. Use short, confident strokes for the nose and a thin horizontal for the mouth. Subtler lines convey stern restraint. Next, draft large, layered spikes for his hair using flow lines so the mane reads as volume rather than random spikes. Finally, sketch the collar and armor plates, connecting them to the neck to ground the head. Complete the drawing by committing with clean line work and shading choices. Ink over your best pencil lines, varying line weight, thicker on outer contours, thinner on internal details to create depth. Lay down flat shadows first, then add cross-hatching on armor and subtle gradients on hair, keeping eyes and shading as the darkest focal point. If something looks off, pause, measure with head units, erase the offending area and resketch from guides. This correction step saves the overall likeness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.